You sure you're ready for this? Alright.
Pop rocks are no joke.
Open. Lick. Got it off?
First time with Pop Rocks. What does it feel like? Will?
It feels like it's cake.
What?
It feels like cake.
Exploding cake? Cake that explodes in your mouth?
Can I eat some?
Will, did you like it? Will?
Yes.
What's the best part about Valentine's Day? What?
What's the best thing about Valentine's Day?
It's about loving people.
It's about loving people? Whoa, don't eat me. Yeah, who do you love?
Grace?
Grace? Uh-oh.
Grace is a hard one.
What?
She's a hard one?
What does that mean? She's a hard one. Will, what does that mean?
I don't know.
You're just saying things? Did she say that she loved you today?
Yesterday. She was
Wait, she said she loved you? Will, did you say it back?
No, I think I did.
You think you did? It's a pretty big thing to say, don't you think?
Go ahead, Haley.
What does this say?
Let's see.
It's from Adriana.
Adriana's birthday at Jump Tracks.
Hey, you like...
Woo!
Go ahead, Haley.